Here is a beginner-level product management quiz covering feasibility analysis, product design and user experience, UX/UI, and prototyping and testing. 1. What is the main goal of feasibility analysis in product development? 1. To determine if a product is legally protected. 2. To assess whether a product idea is viable technically, financially, and operationally. 3. To finalize the marketing plan. 4th, to determine the best distribution channel. Answer: to assess whether a product idea is viable technically, financially, and operationally. 2. Which of the following is not a key factor in feasibility analysis? 1. Technical feasibility. 2nd, financial feasibility. 3rd, market demand. 4th, social media followers. Answer: social media followers. 3. What does a break-even analysis help determine? 1. The total cost of manufacturing. 2. The point at which revenue equals expenses. 3. The most profitable customer segment. 4. The final product design. Answer: the point at which revenue equals expenses. 4. What is technical feasibility in product development? 1. The ability of the development team to build the product with existing technology. 2. The estimated sales growth of the product. 3. The ease of product distribution. 4. The effectiveness of a marketing campaign. Answer: the ability of the development team to build the product with existing technology. 5. Which of the following best describes operational feasibility? 1. The ability to produce and distribute a product efficiently. 2. The process of creating a prototype. 3. The estimated cost of manufacturing. 4. The number of competitors in the market. Answer: the ability to produce and distribute a product efficiently. 6. A financial feasibility study primarily evaluates 1. Whether the product will be profitable and sustainable. 2. The visual appeal of the product. 3. The best advertising strategy. 4. The effectiveness of customer service. Answer: whether the product will be profitable and sustainable. 7. Why is feasibility analysis important before launching a new product? 1. To ensure that resources are allocated efficiently. 2. To finalize the packaging design. 3. To increase brand awareness. 4th, to determine the best pricing strategy. Answer: to ensure that resources are allocated efficiently. 8. What is the primary goal of product design? 1. To create a visually appealing product. 2. To develop a functional and user-friendly product that meets customer needs. 3. To generate marketing content. 4. To reduce production costs. Answer: to develop a functional and user-friendly product that meets customer needs. 9-point UX, user experience, primarily focuses on 1. How the product feels and functions for the user. 2. The colors and fonts used in the product. 3. The advertising strategy. 4. The cost of the product. Answer: how the product feels and functions for the user. 10. What does UI, user interface, refer to in digital products? 1. The back-end development of a product. 2. The visual layout, buttons, and interactive elements that users interact with. 3. The financial model of a company. 4. The physical packaging of a product. Answer: the visual layout, buttons, and interactive elements that users interact with. Congratulations on completing the first 10 questions. Let's continue. 11th. Which of the following is an essential principle of good UX design? 1. Complexity. 2. Intuitive navigation and ease of use. 3. Expensive visuals. 4. Low-cost development. Answer: intuitive navigation and ease of use. 12th. A wireframe in UI/UX design is used to 1. Show the basic structure and layout of a digital product before finalizing details. Determine the financial cost of production. 3rd. Analyze competitors' pricing. Select the best advertising medium. Answer: show the basic structure and layout of a digital product before finalizing details. 13. What is usability testing in UX design? 1. The process of testing a product with real users to improve user experience. 2. The financial assessment of a product. 3. The development of marketing strategies. 4. The automation of customer service. Answer: the process of testing a product with real users to improve user experience. 14. What is accessibility in UX design? 1. Ensuring a product is usable by people with disabilities. 2. Creating a product that is easy to buy online. 3. Reducing production costs. 4. Maximizing revenue. Answer: ensuring a product is usable by people with disabilities. 15. What is a prototype in product development? 1. A preliminary version of a product used to test ideas and features. 2. A finalized product ready for market launch. 3. A financial statement for investors. 4th. A customer review platform. Answer: a preliminary version of a product used to test ideas and features. 16. Why is prototyping important in product development? 1. To identify design flaws and improvements early. 2. To increase sales immediately. 3. To finalize branding and marketing materials. 4th. To reduce competitor influence. Answer: to identify design flaws and improvements early. 17. What is the difference between a high-fidelity prototype and a low-fidelity prototype? 1. A high-fidelity prototype closely resembles the final product, while a low-fidelity prototype is more basic. 2. A high-fidelity prototype is cheaper to develop. 3. A low-fidelity prototype is used only after launch. 4. A high-fidelity prototype is used only for internal testing. Answer: a high-fidelity prototype closely resembles the final product, while a low-fidelity prototype is more basic. 18. What is A/B testing in product development? 1. Comparing two different versions of a product or feature to determine which performs better. 2. A technique for reducing production costs. 3. A strategy for improving employee satisfaction. 4th, a marketing campaign evaluation. Answer: comparing two different versions of a product or feature to determine which performs better. 19. What is beta testing? 1. Allowing a select group of users to test a nearly finished product before full launch. 2. Creating the first version of a prototype. 3. Conducting a financial review of a product. 4th, analyzing competitor strategies. Answer: allowing a select group of users to test a nearly finished product before full launch. 20. What is the purpose of user feedback during prototyping? 1. To improve the product based on real user experiences and needs. 2. To increase production efficiency. 3. To finalize packaging. 4. To boost sales revenue. Answer: to improve the product based on real user experiences and needs. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.